I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Subnautica VR with Oculus Quest 2. First, we will cover the essential hardware and software you will need for a smooth experience. Then, I will guide you through connecting your headset to your computer, whether wired or wirelessly. We will also explore crucial modifications that significantly enhance the virtual reality gameplay. Finally, I will show you how to launch the game and dive into the alien ocean world. To begin, confirm your personal computer meets Subnautica's minimum specifications for virtual reality. Next, download and install the Oculus personal computer application, which is vital for connecting your headset. You can then connect your Quest 2 using a high-speed USB 3 cable for a stable wired connection. For those preferring freedom of movement, configure Oculus AirLink, allowing you to play wirelessly with minimal latency. Both methods provide an excellent pathway to your underwater adventure. For the best virtual reality experience, modding is highly recommended. First, install QMod Manager, which is essential for running other modifications. Then, download the VR Enhancements mod. It dramatically improves the game's virtual reality integration and comfort. Additionally, consider the VR Performance Kit mod to optimize frame rates and reduce motion sickness. These modifications transform the gameplay, making your deep-sea exploration much more immersive and enjoyable, truly bringing the world to life. With everything set up, it is time to dive in. Launch Subnautica from your preferred platform, either Steam or the Epic Games launcher. Make sure your Oculus Link or AirLink connection is fully active and stable. The game should automatically detect your Quest 2 headset and initiate virtual reality mode. Once in-game, take a moment to fine-tune the virtual reality settings to your liking, ensuring maximum comfort and an incredible, immersive journey into the alien ocean depths.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.